people expect to taste if they buy the butter chicken? How should it taste?
They should relate it to the butter chicken, and they should know the actual taste of butter chicken, and then probably after eating they will say, I think it is better than what I have earlier tried anywhere else.
So one of the recipe is hand down from the Arora family. Which one is that?
That's we are going to introduce next time.
Okay.
Hi, today we're going to try the Chef in a Box World Chef series. This is butter chicken by Chef Satish Arora. So it's hot. I'm going to try to open it. Okay, there's some steam coming out of it. I'm going to try it. I tried the gravy first. Okay, quite good. It's very sweet. In a good way, because butter chicken to me should be sweet. And this is like, it's very creamy as well. It's quite thick. It's like I'm eating in a restaurant in Little India. So now I'm going to try the chicken. I think there are about 1, 2, 3, about 5 over chunks of chicken. It's very tender. It's really not bad. This is my dinner right here. And then there are also spices. So the chef just now is telling me that there are about 3 to 4 spices. And he has been cooking this for many years. He's cooked this for the Queen as well. So my verdict is that the rice is really good. It can be eaten on its own. It's very tasty. And it's definitely worth your time coming downstairs to buy a meal from the vending machine. Especially if you're craving Indian food like in the middle of the night. So overall the verdict is about 8 upon 10.